Imagine transforming your ordinary smartphone into a DIY projector, all with just a simple box and a lens. It's a fun, affordable project that lets you magnify your screen onto any blank wall, turning movie nights or presentations into something truly special. Here's how you can make your own phone projector at home, step by step, using everyday materials. First, gather your supplies. You'll need an empty cardboard box. Shoe boxes work great, but any sturdy box of similar size will do. You'll also need a magnifying lens, which you can find at most craft stores or repurpose from an old magnifying glass. Other essentials include a roll of tape, a pair of scissors, or a craft knife, a ruler, and a pencil. Optionally, you might want some black paint or paper to line the inside of your box. This helps absorb excess light and sharpens your image, but it's not strictly necessary. Begin by preparing the box. Place your box on a flat surface and close the lid securely. Using your magnifying lens as a template, trace a circle onto one end of the box where you want the image to be projected from. Ideally, this should be centered, about halfway up the side. Carefully cut out this circle, making sure it's just big enough to snugly hold your lens. Once you've made the hole, fit the lens into it. It should sit flush against the box, so no light escapes around the edges. Secure it in place with tape or glue, making sure it doesn't wiggle or shift. The lens is the heart of your projector. It's what will magnify the light and image from your phone. Now, open the box and, if you wish, paint or line the inside with black paper. This simple step minimizes stray light, improving contrast and clarity. Let any paint dry completely before proceeding. Next, create a stand for your phone inside the box. The goal is to position your phone directly behind the lens, facing outward, with its screen aligned as squarely as possible. You can use a small stack of books, a folded piece of cardboard, or anything that holds your phone at the right height. Make sure your phone is stable and won't slide around. One important detail: your phone's display needs to be upside down for the projected image to appear right side up. Most smartphones allow you to lock the screen orientation, or you can use a third-party app to flip the display. Set your phone's brightness to maximum for a clearer image. With everything in place, close the box and dim the lights in your room. Aim the projector at a blank, light-colored wall, about 6 to 8 feet away. Turn on your phone's video or slideshow, and focus the image by sliding your phone back and forth inside the box. The distance between the phone and the lens will affect both the size and sharpness of the projection, so take your time adjusting until the image looks crisp. You'll notice that, while this DIY projector won't match the quality of commercial devices, it's surprisingly effective for such simple materials. The larger the lens, and the brighter your phone screen, the better your results will be. You may need to experiment with different box sizes or lenses to achieve the best image. Finally, sit back and enjoy your creation. Whether you're streaming a movie, sharing vacation photos, or just marveling at the ingenious simplicity of your homemade projector, this project is sure to impress friends and family. It's a perfect example of how everyday objects, a bit of curiosity, and some basic science can combine to create something truly magical. So grab a box, a lens, and your phone, and bring big screen entertainment into your home with a DIY projector you built yourself.